that file over here. Oh my god, all the signature thingies. Not sure if it's all.
Can you read it?
You can feel it from the streets of Liverpool to the four corners of the globe. A passion that has been shared by Carlsberg since 1992. Now, nearly 30 years on, we raised a glass to everyone at Liverpool FC. Is being crowned champions the best feeling in the world? Probably. Okay, I've got to read that. Wow.
Wow. Cool. Okay, nice. Can you take out one glass and show me? And please don't break it.
Oh my god. Probably the best beer in the world. Comes at the bottom. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh, got no strength. Oh my god. Wait, what? Wait, are you supposed to push this down? Help! Signatures in the glass. Be signature in the glass.
Alright, thank you very much.
I can't even remove it. Oh, funny. Ta-da!